Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device Oneplus Nord N200. But before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. So let's move to the topic. If you're having any Wi-Fi and hotspot related problem like the both are not working or not connecting in your device Oneplus Nord N200, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device.